Book of Heaven, Volume 12, December 25th, 1918. Jesus repeats his life in the soul. Continuing in my usual state, I was feeling all afflicted for many different reasons. And blessed Jesus came, and almost compassionating me, told me,
"My daughter, do not oppress yourself too much. Courage, I am with you. Even more, I am right inside of you, continuing my life. This is the reason why now you feel the weight of justice, and you would want it to unload itself upon you. Now the tearing of the souls who want to be lost. Now you feel the yearning to love me for all. But seeing that you do not have sufficient love, you plunge yourself into my love, and you take as much love for as much as all should give me. And releasing your silvery voice, you love me for all, and all the other things that you do. Do you think it is you? Not at all. It is I. It is I who repeat my life in you. I feel the yearning to be loved by you, not with a love of creature, but with my own. Therefore I transform you. I want you in my will, because in you I want to find one who stands in for me and for all creatures. I want you like an organ that lends itself to all the sounds I want to make.
And my love, there are certain times when life becomes so bitter, especially because of the conditions in which you have put me." And Jesus, knowing what I wanted to say to him, added,
"And what do you fear? I myself will take care of everything. And when one directs you, I give my grace to him. And when another, I give grace to the other. And besides, it is not you whom they will assist, but me. And according to how they will appreciate my work, my sayings and teachings, so will I be generous with them."
And I, my Jesus the confessor, appreciated very much what you said to me, so much so that he cared very much about it, and he worked very hard to make me right. What will you give to him? And Jesus,
"My daughter, I will give him heaven as recompense, and I will count him as the office of Saint Joseph and of my mama, who, having assisted my life on earth, had to go through hardships in order to nourish me and assist me. Now, since my life is in you, I hold his assistance and sacrifices as if my mama and Saint Joseph were doing them again for me. Aren't you happy?"
and I thank you, O Jesus. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.